Hello and welcome. Welcome to a new episode. And this is a very special episode, friends. Generally, I do not analyze IPOs because IPOs are most of the time expensive and we do not have much of the information, you know, well before the hand, right? So, but this time the IPO, what I'm going to discuss is very amazing. And, I felt very excited to create this video for you. And I'm sure you will take advantage from this video, not in term of whether you invest in this IPO or not, but you will definitely learn how to analyze companies or IPOs such that in future, if any good IPO comes, you may choose to or you may not choose to. Either way, it will be very informative and very exciting video. So I request you to watch this video until the last. And if you are new to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and like the videos and share the videos with other friends and trading communities or investing communities such that they can also get benefited from quality knowledge and analysis. All right, so let's start and let me share my screen with you. All right. So the IPO we're talking about here is a Happiest Minds Technologies Limited, right? So Happiest Minds Technologies Limited was incorporated in Bangalore in 2011. So comparatively, with its peer companies, it's a new company. Its main business is IT services. This issue is opening up tomorrow on 7th September, and issue will be valid for 3 days, 7, 8, and 9. And on 9th September, the issue will close. And the finalization of basis of allotment will be done on 14th of September, friends. Share listing will happen on the exchange on 17th of September. So you can watch out these important dates. And the listing is going to happen at both the exchanges. That means NSE and BSE both, right? The issue is in the price band of 160 to 166 rupees per share. The minimum quantity of you applying for this IPO is 90 shares. So you can buy minimum, that's called a market lot or minimum order quantity. That will be 90 shares, right? And the face value of this share at present is 2 rupees per share. Now, when we say 90 shares lot, that means we are talking, if you want to apply, you must apply with at least 14,400 to 14,940 rupees equivalent of it. So in case if you choose to apply for 2 lots, you will need 14,400 into 2 or 3. So in the quantity of 90 into 2, 90 into 3, you can apply like that. The total issue size is 4,22,90,091 shares, which is equivalent to 702.02 crores. Now, in fact, if you look at 702.02 is not entirely the IPO. There are two components in this offer. There is one component which is called fresh issue. In fact, we should say that is IPO, right? This is the initial public offer. That means here the number of shares are going to be increasing in the company. So new shareholders are coming. But major part of this is called, the major part of this IPO is offer for sale. That means the existing shareholders are selling their shares. They have invested, maybe around 7, 8 years, 9 years back, and they invested their money. And now they find it's a time to exit. So in total, if you look at it, the fresh issue is of 110 crore, while as the OFS, which is offer for sale, is for 592.02 crore rupees. Now, who are the sellers of OFS? There are two major partners who are selling their shares. One is Mr. Ashok Sutta, who's also the founder of it. So he's selling his 84 lakhs 14,223 shares, friends. And the other partner who's selling the share is a JP Morgan. I think JP Morgan has around 19% stake in Happiest Minds Minds Technologies, and they are selling entire stake of JP Morgan. The overall number of shares what they are selling is 2 crores 72 lakhs 49,362 shares. Now, as of now, if you look at it, total number of shares in the company are 10 crores 78 lakhs 62,479. These are the outstanding shares at this point of time. And after IPO, that means after adding almost 66 lakhs 26,506 shares, the overall number of shares, outstanding shares, will become 11 crore 44 lakhs 88,985. Right? That will be the number of shares after the IPO is closed. So let's look at some business, right? Let's analyze what business Happiest Minds Technologies is into. So it is into a business of B2B. Now, B2B is business to business. That means they have corporate as their customers, right? And they are working in three verticals, friends. The first vertical is digital businesses service. Now, digital businesses service is their major business, wherein they have 97% of revenue coming from this vertical. They also have two more verticals, namely product engineering and services and infrastructure management and security services in the IT vertical, right? So they provide, don't get confused कि security men provide करते हैं. So they are IT company, so IT securities and IT infrastructure management की service भी ये लोग देते हैं marketplace को. Now let's look at where are their customers located. So majority of their customers are located in US, almost 77.5%. India में इनके almost 12% के आसपास में कस्टमर है, यूके में 7%, इन अदर कंट्रीज एंड अदर ज्योग्राफीज अराउंड 3.5% कस्टमर्स इनके हैं. सो दैट मींस दे आर हेवीली focusing in US market. Of course, Mr. Suta had been living in US for a long time, so that would be the very good ground for him to have number of customers, right? अगर हम इनका revenue देखें segment wise, so within these three verticals also they are having various segments. So जो digital infrastructure services इनकी, उससे इनका approximately 44% revenue आता है. 24% revenue comes from software services, and around 8% revenue comes from security solutions. Another 12% comes from artificial intelligence and analytics, and internet and other services से 9% के आसपास में इनका revenue generate होता है. So in total, again, if you see from here, within the digital business service also, digital infrastructure manage करने में 44% इनका revenue है. Right? Now, if we look from evaluation of the organization, rather the analyzing the organization itself, we see that they have got 2,600 employees at present, almost 157 clients, and 50% of their revenue comes from top 10 clients. And company is completely debt free. They were having the debts in 2018, but 2019 आते आते उन्होंने debt complete कर दिया था. Now, if you look at the financial of this company in 2018, the revenue was 489 crore, but the company was in loss of 22 crore, small loss. In 2019, the revenue increased close by 100 crore, and the company went into profit. They made around 14 crore rupees ka profit. And in financial year 2020, the overall revenue was 714 crore and profit was 71 crore, right? इसमें से around 33 crore के आसपास में I think the tax था. Now, if you look at the Q1 of financial year 2021, so they have given excellent results. COVID did not impact them. So they made around 50 crore rupees in net profit, friends, from this, the gone by quarter, which is from April, May, June. April to June wala jo quarter tha, they did a splendid business in that, right? Now, let's look at the strength and risk, or rather strength and weakness of this company. If you want to invest in any company, very important aspect you need to understand. In fact, you should do the entire SWOT analysis: strength, weakness, opportunities, and threat. Because of lack of time for making this video, if I make a long video, many people get bored in that, so I'm making a short video. So let's look at the strength of the company. First strength is it's a debt-free company. Now the second strength it has got, it has got a 20% growth, friends. Most of the companies which are working, which are large companies and working in IT sector, they are having a single digit growth, 8, 9, 10%. 10% बहुत कम है, चाहे TCS होने दो, चाहे Infosys होने दो, चाहे SCL or be it Tech Mahindra, they all are having a single digit growth. But this company is having 20% growth. That's excellent. अच्छा, अगर मैनेजमेंट को एनालाइज करना चाहे फ्रेंड्स, तो वी सी दैट this company has got strong and experienced management. The chairman and co-founder of the organization is Mr. Ashok Soota, which is a very, very great name, respected name in the IT sector or IT industry. He was president of Wipro from 1984 to 1999, and he started a company called MindStart. He was a co-founder of a company called Mindtree in 1999, and 1999 की start की हुई company, today it has got a market cap of almost 20,000 crore, friends. And last year this company was having a hostile takeover by, I'm sure you remember, L&T Infotech, right? So L&T ने इसको hostile ये कर लिया था. You can say that it was a hostile takeover. The management did not want, but the management of Mindtree was not looking for that. But then, since the money power, L&T had a money power, so they did it, right? And it's a history in IT industry that some company did this kind of act. Anyways, so the fourth strength of this company is it has a dynamic and flexible management, which is accommodating new technologies, including robotics, blockchain, drones, all kind of new technologies. They're very dynamic, right? And another strength the company has, we call, is a skin is in the game, right? So what do I mean by skin in the game? That means the management of the company has majority of the share, and the management of the company is actively managing the company. So Mr. Soota and family have got more than 50% stake in this company. So that says a lot about his dedication, about his involvement in the company, and we can expect company to grow the way he has grown Wipro or Mindtree, or now he's growing this company called Happiest Minds Technologies. Now, before we look at whether we should invest in this or not, let's also look at what are the risks involved in this company, right? So एक जो पहला risk मुझे समझ में आता है, that is a concentrated business. Now concentrated business का क्या नुकसान हो सकता है? अभी सपोज करो अगर किसी भी कंपनी का एक पर्टिकुलर बिजनेस में बहुत ज्यादा कंसंट्रेशन है, कंपटीशन आएगा, इट विल किल or it will take away part of that business. What happens? Your business reduces, profitability reduces. So that's a huge risk for this company. Most of the IT companies, even Mindtree or Tech Mahindra or TCS, they have got less than 50% in this segment. That means they are not concentrated only in one business, but this company is concentrated only in one business. The second threat or risk I see here is they have got limited customers with high value. Limited customer मतलब first they've got only 150 के आसपास में customers हैं. Second, जो 50% कंपनी ये कंपनी का रेवेन्यू आता है वो आता है टॉप 10 कस्टमर से, राइट? सो अगेन दैट इज ऑल्सो रिस्क. अगर उस टॉप 10 कस्टमर से किसी भी कारण से 2 या 3 कस्टमर भी निकल गए तो रेवेन्यू विल बी डाउन फॉर दिस कंपनी, राइट? सो दैट्स अनदर risk. Another risk is competition. Now we already know that digital infra or digital segment is a segment where these all IT companies are focusing. Now so far this company has been successful in that area and they have captured majority of it, but when the large organization run behind that business, they will always take part of that business. What happens? This company loses that business, right? So that is also one threat to the company, right? Acha. Another risk is the future management of the company, future leadership. Now Ashok Soota ji is 77 years old, I mean, we should be proud of that. Even at the age of around 68, he started this company, and now at 77, he's launching the IPO. That's very encouraging for young entrepreneurs, right? Or old entrepreneurs, I should say. But ये कंपनी का फ्यूचर लीडरशिप का एज ऑफ नाउ नथिंग इज विजिबल. सो ये एक रिस्क है. I wish Ashok Sutaji lives another 10, 20, 30, 40 years as an active management participant in this company, but this is a concern, and we should always look at that aspect of it. We need to find out what kind of things are happening. Now, the last but not the least, yes, the company has visible profitability now for last 2 years, but just 2 साल की profitability के ऊपर हम किसी भी कंपनी में इन्वेस्टमेंट बड़ा नहीं करते हैं, राइट? इट शुड हैव अ ट्रैक रिकॉर्ड ऑफ एटलीस्ट 5 years और 10 years, बट यहाँ पे प्रॉफिट में आए हुए सिर्फ 2 साल हुए हैं. सो दिस इज अनदर कंसर्न और अनदर रिस्क फॉर द कंपनी, क्योंकि एक भी क्वार्टर में थोड़ा भी गड़बड़ हुआ तो प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी नीचे जा सकती है. एंड what can we do in this? If you are investing in this company, you must watch out quarter to quarter results. Monitoring quarter by quarter, I call it, is necessary in this kind of organization. अब अगर हम valuation wise बात करें तो, because we do not have much of the data as of now, like PE or PEG or other data which generally is available in screener .in, right, based upon which we do the fundamental analysis. So यहाँ पे बहुत कम data है, but when we evaluate current price of the price band of 160 to 166, तो मेरे को ये एक रीजनेबल प्राइस लगती है, ऑल्दो थोड़ा एक्सपेंसिव साइड में है, बट लुकिंग एट द काइंड ऑफ प्रोफाइल एंड द मैनेजमेंट, आई थिंक ये एक रीजनेबल एक रीजनेबल वैल्यूएशन है कंपनी का, और मेरा आउटलुक इसमें पॉजिटिव है. एंड I may be applying for a very small quantity of this IPO. So that's my view about my friends about this organization. And yes, you need to consult your financial advisor before you invest in this company or any company. Stock market is a risky business, but it's amazing business. It can give you a lot of profit if you know how to invest in companies, or if you know what is the fair value of the company, if you know valuation of the companies, definitely you can make a lot of money here, but don't take unnecessary risk. So that's my caveat to you. Learn and then invest with the help of your financial advisor. So signing off at this point of time from this video, friends, and my invitation to you is, I'm sure this video would be helpful to you understand the investment part of it or IPOs aspect of it. And yeah, so if you are new to our YouTube channel, again, my request is to to subscribe to our YouTube channel and spread our videos in investing communities with your friends. It takes a lot of efforts, friends, to make this kind of videos. A lot of research work is done. आपको लगता होगा कि ये 15 मिनट की वीडियो है या 20 मिनट की वीडियो है, but trust me, एक 2 घंटे 3 घंटे का कम से कम हमको रिसर्च करना पड़ता है. Then we have to qualify a company whether we should make a analysis or not, whether we should make a video or not. So I would love to see your comment in this, whether you would like to see more videos of this kind, whether you would like some more improvement in the videos, or what more you would like, right? So I'm committed to make this kind of videos such that our students and our friends or the people who follow us on social media, they can learn how to invest, they can learn how to trade. With that commitment, I'm making this video. Thank you so much for watching and liking the video. Please press the bell icon when you subscribe to the video, such that whenever we upload any new video, you get notification on that. And happy investing. God bless you.